Good morning, everyone. So I'm going to present two different companies or brands, even though we are part of the same group on a wider scale. One is called ALS, which is a service-based company. I'm going to introduce you in a minute, and then I'll finish off by presenting you Invitek, which is a new business stream of ALS, one where I'm the general manager, and I proudly lead a team of scientists, some of which biotechnology scientists, so it's good to be here, and congratulations for the wonderful event. I know the session is called New Kids on the Block, but perhaps we are the new grandpa on the block, because ALS as a company was founded in 1863, so it's more than 150 years old. It was founded as Campbell Brothers. At the time it was a small chemical business, and quickly it grew into being one of the leading TIC industry companies now on a global scale. ALS is publicly listed in Australia. It's an Australian-based company. We are listed on the AS 100 public listing. And right now we are present in more than 70 countries. We have more than 450 locations between labs and offices. We are more than 22,000 employees and colleagues across the 5 continents with a substantial revenue, if I may say. Our core business, as I said, it's the TIC industries. We are specialized in testing, inspection, and certification, and we cover a variety of industries. We cover everything from the life sciences, such as food and beverage testing, personal care and over-the-counter products, also pharmaceutical and healthcare, which I will be focusing on today, environmental testing, and then we also covered the geochemistry and energy sectors, which was actually the very first business of ALS from its foundation, but also oil and lubricants, and also the industrial areas with tribology and maintenance of big equipment. Speaking about pharma, and I chose pharma because I think this is a biotechnology event. We will talk about biologics, biopharmaceuticals, pharmaceuticals, traditional chemicals, and for that ALS covers everything from selecting or founding or even synthesizing an API, an active pharmaceutical ingredient, and taking it then to clinical trials, where usually then we try to sell off these chemicals or these biomolecules to other companies that then take it to market, such as pharmaceutical companies. But we don't only cover what's developing these molecules, what it's usually called a CRO or a CDMO business, as we also offer services and analytical services to other companies such as yours that need this support to take a molecule from the benchtop, show that it's safe, that it works, that it's potent against its target, and then helping you taking it to clinical trials, and then if it goes well to the market. So we offer a variety of services in the pharma, nutraceutical, and personal care industries, everything from research and development, the CRO and CDMO work that we do in France and Germany, discovery of new active ingredients. These can be biomolecules, these can be chemicals. We work with a variety of compounds, helping you out with formulation, providing consultancy, doing all the studies that you need to take a molecule to market, such as bioavailability, safety, preclinical and clinical services. We have clinical studies ongoing in 3 different continents right now. We do everything from efficacy and health claims, preparing the dossiers that you need to register the molecules. We also do some short-scale manufacturing, and also the analytical quality control, which I believe by this we cover the entire value chain of taking a molecule to market when we talk about these industries. Another business I want you to know about is Invitek Diagnostics, and here it's a completely different business scope. whereas ALS focus on providing services. At Invitek, which is the newest division of ALS, we focus on providing products. So we develop products, we manufacture products, and we sell these products. Invitek Diagnostics, previously Invitek Molecular, was a company that was founded in Germany in 1992, was one of the very first biotech companies in Berlin, in the Brandenburg area, and it was recently acquired by ALS Life Sciences Portugal in 2023, hence being a new kid on the block, even though it's an old company. And yes, it was a Portuguese company that acquired a German company. It might sound strange, but sometimes we also do this type of things. What we do at Invitek, very easy. We create products that cover the entire workflows of molecular biology, from the very beginning of getting a sample, and this can be virtually any type of sample that contains DNA or RNA, and we offer you products that complete the entire workflow until you get a result. So everything from food testing, environmental testing, clinical testing, veterinary testing, if it contains DNA or RNA, we have a product for it. We are based in Tondela, in Viseu, where we have our manufacturing facilities, logistics, sales, everything is done from Tondela to the world. Right now we serve more than 50 countries. If you ask Fabio, he will tell you a much bigger number because sales always think differently, but this is the ones I can get. Okay, 94, says Fabio. We have more than 100 SKUs in our portfolio right now, everything from nucleic acid extraction kits, PCR detection kits, ELISA, sample collection devices. Again, everything that involves handling or testing or extracting DNA or RNA, everything around nucleic acids, we have products for it. And everything based on a solid R&D system with more than 30 years of innovation. We have 4 or 5 different technologies which are proprietary of Invitek. These are patented, and I think these are very innovative and good to have on a biotech environment such as PBio. We have a booth upstairs. I invite you, upstairs no, outside. I invite you to visit us. One of the things I would like for this event is not, of course, selling you products is nice, and Fabio, the head of sales, will think of that as his main goal. But for me, I would like to establish connections, to network with biotech startups, people that have new ideas. We usually work on an open innovation system where we approach universities to help them take products to market. Filipa was saying during her presentation that usually that's one of the bottlenecks we have in Portugal. We have already 3 or 4 products on the market that were developed by universities. For instance, one with INL during the COVID times. INL is an institute in Braga. So please visit us, approach us, talk to us, tell us about your ideas, and probably we can take those to market if we have a market fit for that, of course. Thank you very much.